Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn some of the important methods related to HashMap. So in the previous video, we already learned about what is HashMap. So HashMap is a class which implements the map interface. And what are the properties of HashMap? It stores the key value here. So keys are unique and values can be duplicated. HashMap does not maintain any insertion order. HashMap can have one null key and multiple null values. So that we have already seen. So how to declare a HashMap? So here we have a HashMap. Here we have data type for key and value. So keys are string data type. So we have provided them in double quotes. And this is a data type for value, which is integer, and these are the values 10, 20, 30, 50. And the name of my hash map is fruits, and we have added the values with the help of put method, and we are printing this hash map. Let's run this code. So here you could see we are getting the values in a key value pair for the hash map. Now we want to learn the different methods available for hash map. So first method is put method. So put method is used to add key value pairs to the hash map. So that we have already seen. With the help of put method, we can add the values inside the hash map. Second method is get method. So get method is used to retrieve the values associated with a specific key. So here as a parameter you need to pass the key, and the get method will return us the value for that particular key. Let's see in the demo. Now we will print the fruits first, and then we will try to print sysout. And here I will say fruits dot get. So in get method you need to pass the key. I will pass the key here. So let's say we want to have the value for banana. So I will pass the key as banana. And if I save this and run now, let's see what output we get. We got here 50. So what is the value for banana? It's 50, right? So that's why we are getting here 50. If I change the key to orange, the output will be 30 in this case. See, we are getting here 30. With the help of get, you can get the value for a particular key. Next method is containsKey method. So this is used to check if a specific key exists in a hash map or not. So let's see this. So here instead of get, we will make use of contains. So here you need to pass the key. So let's say I pass here banana. So what will be the output here? Whether this key is present inside our fruits hash map. Let's run this code. We are getting here false. Why we are getting here false? Because the key that we have provided here is with B uppercase, right? And we are providing a lowercase b. So this is different. So this key is not present in our fruits hash map. So that's why we are getting here false. If I replace the lowercase b with uppercase b, then in this case we should get true. See, we are getting a true. So containsKey is used to check whether a particular key is present in your hash map or not. Another method is remove method. So remove is used to remove the key value pair associated with a specific key. So you need to pass the key, and that particular record will be deleted from your hash map. So let's say we want to remove here fruits dot remove. So here you could see there are two remove methods. One just takes the one parameter and another one is taking the two parameters. Let's see first this method. So remove text key. So you need to pass here key. Let's say I want to delete the record for orange. And what we will do, we will print the hash map again, whether it's removed or not, that we want to check. Let's run the code again. See, first time the hash map is printed, okay, with four values: orange, apple, grapes, and banana. Then we are removing the orange. But this statement is returning us the value here. So orange value is 30. So this is being returned, and then it is also removing it. So here you could see we are getting apple, grapes, and banana. Orange is removed now. So that's why this particular method returns us the value as well. And if I use the another remove method, which takes key and value. So let's say I want to delete again orange only. and the value here is 30, right? Let's run this code again. So this method returns the boolean value, true or false. If it is able to remove, then it will return us the true, and it has also removed it. What if I provide the wrong information here? Instead of 30, we have provided here 40. So there is no record with key as orange and value as 40, right? So in this case, this should return me false. If I run this code, see, we are getting a false, and there is no change in our fruits hash map because it was not able to find the record here. So that was about the remove. Another method is clear. So let's first see size method and then we will see clear method. So size method is to find out how many items are present here. So let's see that here. What I will do, I will say here fruits dot clear. No, we want to learn the size first, right? I will say a size. Let's run this code. So we are getting here 4 because there are 4 records here: orange, apple, grapes, and banana. Let me duplicate one more record here. Copy this, paste it here, and let's say here I'm trying to add the value 60. Now what will be the size of hash map? As we know, it doesn't allow the duplicate keys. So orange will be present only once. So there will be only 4 records. But orange will have the value 60 now instead of 30. Let's verify this. See, we are getting 4 only. So this was about the size. Last method, clear method, to remove all the items. Now you want to empty this hash map. So you want to clear it, means it will remove all the records here. So I will say here clear, control space, clear. Let's run this code. Okay, what error we are getting here? Oh, and also we are getting here error. It says the method print boolean in the type print step is not applicable for the. Okay, this method is not returning anything, so we will not pass this inside the println. We will just add the statement fruits dot clear. Let's run it. Now first, when we run the code, these values are added inside our fruits hash map. So we are printing them, so we are able to print those values, and then we are clearing those, so we are emptying the our fruit hash map. So here we are getting the empty hash map. So these were some of the most used methods for the hash map: put method, get method, containsKey method, remove method, clear method, and size method. I hope you understand all of them. So that's it in this video. We will see another topic of hash map in the next video. Thank you for watching.